Hi friends, welcome to Ap4menu. Today's recipe is traditional South Indian Chettinad Egg Curry. Do subscribe to our channel Ap4menu, and for our latest updates click the bell icon and select all options. To make Chettinad Egg Curry, we will first hard boil the eggs. Take sufficient water to hard boil the eggs, add in some salt and drop the eggs one by one. Let it hard boil for about 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the Chettinad Masala. In a pan, add 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 spoon fennel seeds, 1 spoon cumin seeds, half spoon whole peppercorns, 2 spoons coriander seeds, 2 dried red chilies, and dry roast it until you get a nice aroma. Now transfer it to the mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil and a pinch of salt. Mix it well and now cut the hard-boiled eggs into 2 and place it in the pan. Sprinkle a pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder and pepper powder. Now flip the eggs to the other side and roast it on both the sides. Once the eggs are well roasted, transfer it to a plate. To the same pan, add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves and mix it well. Now add 2 green chilies split into 2 and 1 cup of finely chopped onions and saute it well. Once the onion turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it till the raw smell goes off. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree and saute it till the oil oozes out. Once the oil oozes out, add the required salt, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chili powder, ground Chettinad Masala and mix it well. Add the required water for the curry and adjust the consistency. Now cover and cook the curry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, when the oil nicely oozes out from the curry, add in the roasted eggs and mix it gently. Cover and cook the curry for another 2 minutes so that the masala nicely incorporates into the eggs. The very aromatic and spicy Chettinad Egg Curry is all ready now. This goes well with plain white rice, chapathi, poori, parota, idly or dosa. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in our comment section. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.